Yo, so this is an unofficial unboxing video for the PS5. I just got this on Amazon with the Spider-Man 2 bundle. Never really played either one, but I've seen plenty of memes online for it. But anyways, this is the unboxing video, so I'm gonna just slowly open this sucker up. Hopefully I don't drop it. Ironically, when I first got my PS4, I actually had just moved to Florida and was like hyped on getting one. So I went to Walmart, and then I don't know how long into having it, it just straight up dropped. It like fell on its own or something. I pulled the cable and then it broke. So I was able to get a fucking refund somehow, by the grace of God. Hopefully it doesn't happen this time. But this is the box. So I'm just about to get my stuff out. So I got the HDMI, I guess, right here. Okay, respect that. HDMI. Got the USB-C to USB-C. I don't know what that's for. Probably for the controller. Let's see what else we got. What are you doing, dog? Get out of here. Oh, this is the controller. Legit. Okay, so this is that new controller game setup that they've been talking about. I know I'm hella years late, but I've been wanting to get my hands on this joint. I'm actually a righty, so I should probably do this with my right hand. So anyways, okay, I feel it. Damn, this is heavy. This is heavier than the other one? What? This is like an Xbox controller. Okay, okay. All right, so that's phase one. Moving on to phase two here. Let me put aside my gear real quick. Just put away my equipment. I'll probably put it up on this TV. I don't even know. But let's see. Okay, I gotta shake that out. I gotta move it down and then pull out. Okay, this is where I probably don't want to fuck it up. Alright, so down, pull out. Down. Doggy! Don't be fucking around. Okay, okay, okay. Got a little setup right here. I see it. And pull that sucker out. Sheesh. Damn. Oh shit. Watch out, dog. Oh shit. Oh shit. Which way is up, which way is down? I don't know. Ooh, baby, baby. I think I got it the wrong way, but I don't give a fuck. So that's it right there. I'll just remove some of this tape. Fucking gangster shit. Oh shit. I'm trying to not drop it. Oh shit, oh shit. There it goes. Like little PlayStation buttons or whatever down there. The logo, symbol, whatever. Oh shit, okay. Looking fresh. I don't know if I got like the slim one or not. I look kind of slim. Alright. I'm gonna get to it, y'all. Set this bad boy up.